Good morning, guys. Martin here, Subway for the Southwest and Remedios. Now we are doing another roof cleaning. This time will be a commercial building. You can see their surrounding first, then around. So here we go. This is behind the lake. Yeah, it's a good looking building. So yep, it's right here. So Black View Magma. This black molds and all around. See some crack tiles in here. I want to make sure I documented that. All right here. Yep, about 10 o'clock and a little windy. But it's good to be doing a roof cleaning at this time. So, alright, guys, see you guys later. How was the update and how we clean this roof? Alright, you guys take it easy. God bless.